This is a screen recording of Bitcoin in the early morning of June 7th. It can be seen that after a few days of rising, the market has shown a relatively obvious top pattern, and a relatively good short selling signal has appeared here. Let's calculate the profit and loss ratio. Use this K-line to calculate the profit and loss ratio. It can be seen that when the profit and loss ratio is 1 times, a take profit and a small rebound appeared, but the subsequent K-line did not occupy the moving average. These K-lines are all good short selling signals, and the volume of these bearish candles is large, and the closing price is also low, indicating that the power of the shorts is very strong. We can see that the bulls here have not been able to occupy the moving average. There is a very strong downward trend on the left, and it forms a top structure with the previous market. So many institutions and people will choose these K-lines as signals to enter the market, and it is likely to go to the position of 2 times the profit and loss ratio or even lower. It can be seen that at this time, it has reached the 2 times take profit point of the first signal candle, and the take profit has appeared, but the trading volume is not very high, and many people and institutions will choose the better Ancien later as the entry position, indicating that the market may go lower. Let's calculate the profit and loss ratio of the signal candles for more people to enter the market and continue to wait for the market to reach the target position. The market has perfectly reached our target position, and there are obvious signals of profit-taking and long entry. Let's review today's trading. The EN lines after the formation of these top patterns are very continuous, large in volume, and close very low, indicating that the current top area is quite solid. When the price continues to try to break upward and fails, it will definitely go down to find more liquidity. Our entry position is a strong downward trend on the left, and it forms a top pattern with the previous one. And the subsequent bulls are unable to occupy the moving average, and the entry signal K-line closes very low below the moving average, so we enter the market to short. The market here has a high trading volume when it reaches the target, indicating that there are a large number of short profit-taking, and a bottom structure is formed near 70,000 and before, and many bulls have also entered the market. Therefore, I judge that the market will not continue to fall for the time being. At least it will have to retrace the moving average and reach a profit and loss ratio of 1 times and fluctuate for a while before the market will decide on the subsequent trend. It is also possible to test around 70,000 again and then retrace the moving average. So I ended today's trading and will wait for tomorrow's market to come out before making a judgment.